I'm a lyrical beast, I eat beats like a barracuda. Took my collar off, I'm unleashed, now I'm going fool. Killing instrumentals like a monster in a horror movie. Blood getting shed, I'm Freddy Krueger when it come to music. Key in your dreams, kill myself to kill you again. Grim Reaper with the flow, a devil when I used to pimp and dealt plenty bets, but they reneged like a game of spade. Trying to get me to hear, I'm like, nigga, where the hearing aids? Made myself a plate and sat down like the Last Supper. Even Shaft said you one bad mother, shut your mouth. Unpredictable like mystical danger, I'm a stranger knocking at your front door. So get on the floor, cause I'm that nigga right here. Had to say it loud, homie, just in case you can't hear. So crack open the bin, paint a picture with my voice, and put it on your wall like a classic piece of art. Cause ain't no limit to me getting cash money. I stay online with metaphors, you big dummy. A cup full of lean with 2 cubes of ice. I'm relaxing like a perm, but spread enough to fight. My temper is like a bubble, but I ain't Lil Boosie. You busted and you in trouble. Welcome home, Lil Boosie. Touchdown, I'm raising hell. Even Satan shook my hand for free and his ass out of jail.